Krita 27, and for this video, we will have a tutorial on how to change the language of an app on your mobile phone. On my previous tutorial on how to download free videos and music using Document app, I saw one comment. The comment is asking for a help to change the language of the Document app from Japanese to English. So let's do it, guys. So let's start. Of course, you should have Document app, or you can choose any app that you wanted to change your preferred language. So now, as you can see, our language is English. So let's go to Settings, and then let's go for our app. Let's go for our Documents app, and then as you can see, there is no preferred language. Okay, so let's go now to Settings, General, and then let's go to Language and Religion. So just choose other languages. You can see different kinds of languages that you can choose for your application, prepare for your application. So now let's just choose English on Singapore, and now just click Keep English, so that your English language on your phone will just stay, and the chosen English on Singapore will just go prefer to your language of your app. After setting up, you can see that you have your preferred language already, the English Singapore. So now let's go to our application on Document app, and then see there is language, so that you can change it already on your preferred language. So now you can change your preferred language on your app. If you wanted to change it in English, you can change it. If you wanted to change it in Japanese or any different kinds of languages, you can do it. So that's it.
Hold up.
On this tutorial, you don't have to switch the new language to set up all over your system on your phone, but the new language, you just add it to the list. I hope you learned something on it, and if you're new on my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe.